Hello and welcome to the Money Roads channel, where you will learn about the best money-making methods, business and marketing tips, money-making tools, programs, and much more. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to keep yourself updated on the latest trends. Also, make sure to like this video and visit the Money Roads website at moneyroads.com. All links will be in the description below, including my social media accounts. In this video, you will learn about a terrific money-making method, along with a few tools that can make this method very profitable for you. We all know that in order to make money, there has to be some effort put in. Whether you put the work in at the very beginning, like in passive income money making methods, or putting constant effort for other methods. Well, this method requires you to put in constant effort, but it can be very profitable. Plus, in some instances, it could actually be a fun way to make money. This method I speak of is freelance writing. Yes, you can still make great money from writing content. The content that you would produce are pieces like blog posts, articles, business work, and much more. You could get paid for writing topics that you enjoy, like fitness, sports, weird trends, celebrities, entertainment, and so on. Now, if you haven't heard of freelance writing before, you could be skeptical about how you would make money from writing. Well, it's quite simple. Blogs, journals, magazines, big businesses, small businesses all have to keep pumping out new content to entice readers. Some of these places can't afford to hire a full-time writer to write pieces. Other places just need so much content that their current writers require help. That's where you come in. The businesses begin purchasing new content, like mentioned before, for good prices, as having new content benefits them more than paying you the money for your work. Alright, now that you have some background on what freelance writing is, you probably want to know where you can sell your work. Well, the easiest thing you can do is go onto famous magazines, blogs, and journals website and scroll down to the bottom of the page. If there is a help us or work with us section, then you're in luck. Some of these big businesses post on their website's career section that they're looking for freelance writers. Then you can go on the page and see their terms and how much they're paying. If you feel it's adequate and you're up for the job, begin to write some pieces. Another method is to go on to Freelancer.com. Freelancer is a site where people who need help with all sorts of things like website building, programming, education, and even content writing come and offer money for your services. For example, a business owner needs writing for their website's blog. They offer $75 for the completed work. Then writers like you bid to win the contract, meaning the writers offer their services. Then the business owner who needs the work completed picks one of the writers who bid on his offer. If you are the chosen one, you will begin to write, and once completed, you will get the $75. The competition can get tough, but if you are a good writer, your work will speak for itself. The next method would be to offer your services on Fiverr. Fiverr is a website that allows you to offer any service to potential customers. One of the services that is in high demand is content writing, so Fiverr is a great place to start your own freelance writing business. Plus, you get to decide how much to charge. Unlike the other two methods, you are in complete control as to how much your content is worth. On Fiverr, the pricing format is usually in an upsell format, meaning you offer basic services at a cheap price, but then try to upsell and offer more features for the premium service, which is going to cost the customer more money. However, always make sure your premium services are actually worth the money that you're charging, as people can leave ratings on your work. The higher your rating, the more customers you'll most likely get. For maximum profit, you should do all three of these methods together. So you would set up an account on Fiverr to offer your services and let customers come to you. Then you would search on Freelancer for opportunities to bid on. Some of the ones you bid you might not get, but some of them you will. In the meantime, while you're waiting for customers on Fiverr and waiting to see if you've won any bids on Freelancer, you can begin to look at opportunities on magazines, journals, blogs, websites to offer your content. Here are a few tips that you should know for this money-making method. First, on Freelancer, the people who usually win bids are the ones that have good experience. So it's recommended to do some work that might not pay well but can boost your profile on Freelancer. This is only for a short while while as you get experience and credibility. Secondly, to showcase what you can do and how your writing skills are like, create a blog about your work. Having a blog that showcases your work in a variety of topics will help potential employers and customers when deciding to choose you. Also, make sure to have a hire me button somewhere on your blog so that people can contact you. Lastly, writing can make you feel burnt out, so make sure you're writing about what you like or are curious about. That way, when you're writing, it feels more satisfying and fun. Once in a while, don't be afraid to reject some work that you feel like it would be a pain to write about. Give your mind a break. That's all, folks. Hopefully this video has helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and I'll do my very best to respond. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to keep updated on the latest money making videos. Check out moneyroads.com for amazing content that you won't find on here. Links to everything are in the description below, including to my social media accounts.